Live from Ultimate Sports Cards, box number 3, Ultimate Collection Hockey. Now let's get something to rival the first box. Okay, and we have a Ray Emery base card. Mark Messier.
Oh,
nice.
That's sick. Holy shit.
There's a
Johnson,
big patch.
Jumbo.
And Halleck.
Oh, shit. That's disgusting.
Whoa. What does something like that go for, guys?
Dude. $250.
Oh, man.
That's
Look at that. That's fantastic. Alright, off to a decent start so far.
Messy is pretty sick.
Brendan Shanahan.
Matt Smabby.
Check out that.
That's a strange signature, man. It looks like a bunch of scribble.
Oh, Gabrick?
Look at that patch, man. Number 50.
Peter Claus.
Oh, Peter Callis.
That's a nice patch, though.
Number 50.
Yeah.
That's nice.
So that was the second box in with the patch that time.
That's just debut threads too. That's not even a permanent patch.
You still think we might get another patch? Possibly?
Yeah, it looks like the patch.
That Messy is
This is a very decent box so far, man. Ovechkin. I ain't gonna try to pronounce that
okay,
guy.
Pavlik. Nice. Not too bad.
Another big jersey, Callahan.
Jeez. Got 2 of those, dude.
Yeah, got the Jack Johnson jumbo. You get that one.
I got that too.
And you get the patch of it we have sitting over there, yeah. Was it like 1 box per case has all like oversized cards or something?
Not in the case I saw.
Only special cases, right? Vincent LeCavier base card. Larry McDonald autograph.
That's
Okay.
nice.
There's another. Yeah, we got all jumbos.
Stefan, number 1.
Number 1 though, of 200.
61.
61. Okay. Well, better than the second box. Not as good as the first. Obviously a good box overall though. Thanks again from Ultimate Sports Cards.
Oh, I'm liking that.